How to save Instagram photos and videos in gallery. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch Instagram application on your device. Log into your account. Tap profile icon at bottom right corner. Now select three-line icon at top right corner. This will let you access to the settings and activity page where you have to scroll down. Now choose Data Uses and Media Quality and toggle the button on for Upload at highest quality. Come back and select Archiving and Downloading option. And make sure that you toggle the button on for Save Original Photos and Save Story to Gallery. Now this will automatically save the unedited photos and videos taken with Instagram feed camera to your camera roll. If you save a story to gallery, it will automatically save your story to your phone's gallery. In this way, you save Instagram photos and videos in gallery. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.